Hi, this video is just a short channel update to tell you about what's coming now when it's summer in 2024. I go on vacation now for 4 weeks, so it will be less videos created and published, unfortunately, and maybe you will see some more YouTube shorts meanwhile while I have a vacation, for example, where I'm in Sweden and reading books at the beautiful places and so on. So if you don't like YouTube shorts, then apologize for that. But of course I will start doing normal videos about ebooks and ebook reading and e-readers and all that when I have more time. But during my vacation I will not have so much time doing the normal videos I do. So please accept that I simply don't have time for doing the normal videos. But maybe I will do a few videos as normal because sometimes the weather is not as good here in Sweden, so maybe I will have some time to do normal videos when those days we don't do so much on my vacation. Otherwise, this channel has been quite great. This year I decided to get rid of normal tech videos on this channel, so I now do almost no tech videos at all anymore. So I do videos mainly about e-readers and so on. So before I did videos about Apple stuff and so on, and a lot of other unboxing of tech gadgets, but now I have decided to have this channel be a complete ebook reading e-reader channel. So that's why you don't see so many tech videos anymore on this channel. But I think this channel has been great. I see progress and I see growth in this channel, so I think that was a good decision actually. So that was a bit about what my channel is doing and what will come on this channel. So after my vacation I will still do tutorials, how-tos on what to do, different stuff on ebook reading and e-readers and so on. And of course I will do videos about some new e-readers also, but I buy my own ebook reading devices, so I can't do reviews of all different kinds of e-readers yet, because I will need to buy every one of them to have them in my possess to do videos about them and tutorials and reviews and so on. So I will have the devices I have and I will have them as long as I need them to be, and when I feel that I need to have a new device I will buy that and do videos about that. That is how simple this channel will be. So I will do mainly videos about e-readers, nothing else. Okay, bye.